Hi friend, you are watching Gemstone Deal channel. Here today we will discuss about the recharging of any kind of stone. There are many ways, there are many procedures, many processes we can use, we can check to recharge using these processes. So here friends, I will discuss about all these processes that you can make on your stone and can recharge your stone. So friends, as before starting the video, I would like to say that please subscribe my channel, and along with that you can find out bell icon button for the new uploaded videos every day. Here the stone we will discuss the sapphire, blue sapphire. That is very beautiful color coming in light color also, medium color, and dark one also coming in the market. Quality, you can buy any quality, but poor quality needs always to recharge, and medium quality is okay. And after using some time, some years, you need always to recharge your stones. So how you can recharge, this is the main thing we will discuss here, and how you can get the rechargeable stone again energetic. That is for you as well beneficial as you want. So this thing we will discuss. We have many ways, but I will tell you here the ways that I know, and I already experienced that. So first of all, if you have a black salt, you have to solve. You have to make a solution with water. That should be clean water. That should be distilled water. You make the solution and put inside for an overnight. If the full moon, that time there is a full moon, you see, you can put under the full moon and leave overnight. Then all the energy of the moon will be act on the stone, and that solution you already put in the water, that stone, and already it is work as energizer to activate your stone, reactivate your stone, you can say. So overnight this process will going on, and you will after this night you can get out this stone and can use as usually used. You can wear this stone, and the energy will be reactivated during this process. And the second one process is that if you have cow milk, should be pure cow milk. You can put inside milk overnight, and after a day, after 24 hours, you can get out and can wash with the clean water, and you can use always wearing as you usually use. And there is already you can find the energized stone. So third point if we discuss is also very easy, and you can adopt this also, you can use this process also. So if you have honey, that also should be pure honey, and you dip in the honey that stone, that is blue sapphire, and leave it overnight. After a day you can get out this and wash with the clean water, and you can wear again as you already wearing the stone. This is already energetic and reactivated stone, you can wear without any problem. So friends, these three processes I already told you, you can use, and you can re-energize your body. So if you feel any problem, if you have any question, you can ask me in the WhatsApp already given the description. And if you want to buy from us any kind of other stones like sapphire and other stone, any kind of stone you want to buy from us, you can contact with me in WhatsApp. We will help you wherever you live. We can send you by courier. There's no matter. So far the 100% guaranteed stone, real stones, you can contact with me, and I will help you. If you have other questions also we can clear. And also please keep watching my videos for the new uploaded informations. I already always uploading these videos every day. You can get all these informations by keep watching these videos, and you can be an expert if you use my all these videos on the course of gemology, that is identification, that is keep going on pricing the gemstones, and how we can judge the clarity, the quality of the stone, how we can judge the name of the stone. So everything already uploaded. You can get all this information, and you will be amazingly enjoy this stone, this information, you can say.